Okay, hello, and we are going to be using tangent to find the opposite side of a triangle. Now, tangent uses opposite and adjacent. It's the TOA in SOHCAHTOA, and it's pretty handy in finding heights. If you notice this triangle, the way it's set up, the opposite side looks like the height of the triangle. So it's a pretty commonly used trig ratio. So for my triangle, I have theta here at 55. So across it would be my opposite, next would be my adjacent, and next to it, but across from the right angle, would be my hypotenuse. So I'm going to say that my adjacent is 24. So we're going to switch this out here. So my adjacent is 24. I already know that adjacent is 24. Now let's set it up. I have tan of 55 degrees. Now, no math teacher is going to make you remember all the trig ratios. Tan of 55 degrees, some crazy decimal, probably a little bit over 1. So you have your calculator, or they'll give you a trig ratio reference sheet, which is very useful. So that's tan of 55 equals the opposite, which I don't know. So my opposite I'm going to call x, since I don't know it, that's my variable, over my adjacent, which I just found out is 24. So that's 24. Once you have this, one of the more popular ways to do it, if you're good with a calculator, you can throw in tan of 55 right in the calculator. You never have to worry about putting a decimal. But for a lot of people, they like to find tan of 55 first. And tan of 55 ends up being 1.428. So 1.428. And once they have that, it's just more concrete. They like seeing the number they're going to work with as opposed to just seeing the tan of the degree. So now that you have a solid concrete number, you can actually set it up, and we're going to cross multiply. To cross multiply, it's sometimes helpful to put the number over 1. So now that it's over 1, we are going to cross multiply. So 1 times x will give me x equals, and I have to do 1.428 times 24. So I'm going to do 1.428 times 24, and that will give me 34.272. So 34.272. And that is my opposite side. That is my height. I now know the height of this was 34.272. And that is how you find the opposite side using tangent. Thank you, and have a good time.